Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I want to do another sort of curly girl focused video. I feel like I'm a fraud because my hair is just not really curly. It's just somewhere in between. It's a mix of like 2B to 3A. I can get ringlets and I can have looseness like this, but I think I've just worn my hair up a bit too much at the moment. But I want to talk about hair buffs. So I've got one on now. This is what I sleep with my hair, and I absolutely love them. And I love the patterns and I like wearing them. I don't care if I look crazy. I think they're really comfortable. So got one in now. So I got these off Amazon, and you get a pack of 6 for $8.99, and there's like so many different designs you can have, so you don't have to have crazy ones like myself. But in this pack of 6 they had sort of this one come, which I've not used. This one's really bright, so I tend to use these bright ones to sleep in. And then this one, and then this one. I've worn this one out. I've worn in the same videos, some videos as well. And then these, I got these for more in the day, but I haven't really worn them yet. These are sort of a bit more calmer, so just plain ones like this. Now these are really nice. They're so comfortable, and I'm not very good with hairbands. They give me a headache if anything's tight on my head, but I find them so comfortable. And I find I look after my hair as I sleep, not only sort of from wear and tear of, you know, pillow, but if I'm really hot, I hate having my hair sort of stuck to me. I hate scraping it back because then it will go really flat. Now I've got a really rubbish example of hair today. I have been training at the studio, but I will show you what I do. So I always use these sort of scrunchy spiral bands, and then I come forward and I put my hair right on the top of my head, like so. These are really good as well if you've got short hair, because I've got short hair and you can see that these bits don't go in. Then keep my head upside down, I'll pop these on like so, and just really gently put it over my head like so. Now you could sleep like that if you wanted to, or you can tuck it back in. So I'll either keep that, double that through like a kind of bun unicorn, or pull this up, and then what I'll do is stretch that bit out and tuck it underneath to sleep. And it actually stays, and it's really comfortable, and it gives you a lot of volume in your hair. So a lot of people say this, I prefer my day 2 hair because I get lots and lots of root lift because I sleep like this. But I also wear this out quite a bit, and I get quite a few compliments that I'll just pop this on all scrunched up like so. You're gonna think I'm mad, like so. And it can tuck those little bits away that don't fit in my ponytail, like so, and just keep that up. And it's like quite an easy messy style. I'd obviously do that a lot better than I'm demoing now quickly. The good thing about these as well, so I walk the dog a lot and I hate being cold, so if I've got these on, you can like cover your ears and it keep your ears warm. So it's, yeah, they're really versatile. But these are really cheap and affordable as well. I think especially if you're starting out on the curly girl method, you can get quite overwhelmed with the amount of stuff you've got to buy and use, and you know, the satin lined bonnets and things. But I find these are really good. So that was my little tip for you. So $8.99 for a pack of 6. So many designs, there's absolutely loads. I'll put a link in my description box and let me know how you get on.